This is what you do when you do what you do, girl. Because you got this. Huh. My daughter used to do this stuff for me. I do it myself. It's alright. Huh. I got this. Alright. You know I got this, Mom? I got this. It's coming together good, basically. For it to bend all of them pieces, right? Alright. Alright. So we got that part on. We got that part on. Alright, now we're going to move to... We got that. Alright, now we're going to the back. So, C is the ones that go up here. And they still get the 1.3s. So this was C. Oh, this gonna be high. This gonna be a nice, height, Mom. Oh, so I can put this up like this, so I can. Wait a minute. We not doing these. Which ones are we doing? We doing 1 point. Oh, okay. So the back. What in the hell? What in the hell? What did I do? Wait a minute, I might do something wrong. No, I didn't. Because this is this way. C. Oh, C go on C. Go on C. What? C. Look at this. C. Oh, this going to be tall, huh? I should have did this upstairs. Because it's going upstairs. I know, right? I should have did this upstairs. I should have did it upstairs because it's going upstairs. Did it upstairs because it's going upstairs. Did it? I did it upstairs because it's going upstairs. Alright. Alright, this is coming together. Wait, I think I missed a part. Let me see something here. You know what? I did. But no, I got time. I got time to fix it. I know what I did. I know what I did, Chan. I know what I did. Twist the opposite way. Go ahead, girl. You got this. I like stuff to be tight. I don't like no wiggly stuff. You know what I'm saying?
I know that's right.
I
That's
don't.
almost like about my furniture.
Yeah, I don't like
my furniture not wobbly, so I can take care of something with it.
Yeah, I don't like no wiggly stuff. I can't stand them. That's like IKEA furniture. Oh my God. If you don't get them people to put it together,
It be wobbly.
yeah, you gotta get them people to put it together. Or somebody that is,
Know what they doing.
yeah, because if not, it's not it. Alright, let's see. Alright, and then the little basket. This is bigger than the one I had got her before.
Really?
Yeah, because watch how tall this thing about to be. That's just one tier. That's just one tier. Tight. Alright, so we can put this down now. Because that's how it's supposed to be. Make it nice and neat. That's how it's supposed to be. Alright, now we got that in. So this is what you put in first before you see what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You see what's happening here, right? You see where this is going?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I see where it's going too. Now, okay, so a hole on, is it a hole on your side too? On that side, is it a hole?
No.
Is it supposed to be like that?
No, there is only a hole over there where you at and the other hole in the front.
Oh, so it's not supposed to be two holes.
Oh.
Because I was thinking there was a hole.
There's only
Oh.
one hole over there and there's one in the front. That's it.
Alright, cool. So now, this is what goes on this one. Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Watch me whip. Watch me, Nene. Alright. And then, I just want to make sure that was all the way down. Before I... Ooh, Mom, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at God.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Oh, and then this little thing is for boom. Look at that. Oh, I I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of you, proud of you. Alright, wait a minute. I'm trying to get all this stuff done for my equipment for work.
It's coming today.
My chair comes today. I gotta contact my supervisor and find out when my monitors and stuff are coming. Cause I don't know. This is nice, Mom. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that, girl. Yeah, this is bigger, see? I like it. I think ladies gonna love it.
CBS News Philadelphia. Good morning to you. I'm Josh Sidorowitz. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll want to have your umbrella handy.
She's gonna love it.
Buy low, keep them prepared for some showers in the Hyundai Next Weathersphere. Hey, Kate.
Hey, Josh,
She's going to love it.
moving in from the
Think
west.
she's
You can see
going
where
to
it is right now.
love
Still
it.
pretty far to the west. We're enjoying some sun to start the day, but
Alright. Make sure this turn tight. There we go. Alright. Okay. Alright. I like this. This is nice. Amazon, do that. Alright. Okay, so now we gotta go with this piece. So a little ball is supposed to hang from here, from the middle. Now, it's not a little hole here, so I'm trying to figure out how do you put this on there? Why doesn't it have a little... Wait, in the position, not only can install spring ball, but can also install M3 single head breech. What? Please keep your single head screwed properly. What?
Alright, thank you. Your next update is coming up.
This is weird. Because this is like a screw. But they don't really have a place to screw it. There's no place on here to screw this. This thing just hangs. Now, they were like, you can put it in one of these, but where are you supposed to put it? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's nowhere to hang that thing. What are you talking about? In this position, not only can you install spring ball. What? Where? There's no holes up here. See, this is the stuff that I be talking about with this stuff. Not only can you install spring ball, they lying. You can't put nothing up here besides that. It's no other holes. You see what I'm saying? And to put it up the top like it looks on this page, it's 2 spring balls. What the heck? Oh my God. So this one goes up here. Okay. Now I can see how this one goes. But how did the other one go anywhere? There's nowhere for it to go. Oh, wait a minute now. Let me see something. No, that's not going to work either. Ma, I see exactly what they're talking about. You want to know what they're talking about? They're saying take this screw out, right? And install the ball instead. Oh. I want to do that. I think that would be cute. Let's do that. I think that would be adorable. So you can either have the screw without the ball, or I like this idea. I like this idea here. Look at this. See that? So you have the option
Right.
to have that there, or not. And I'll keep that screw. Okay, now for the last piece, we're taking, we never use, oh, I see what these little ones are for. What? I'm so proud of you, girl. Alright. This is what this is for. This is a big ass tree. I should have put this together upstairs.
certainly
Right?
on this very critical relationship. And our eyes
This is a big tray. Or maybe I should just leave it down here so Lady can get in it. What you think? And then that way she has somewhere she feel like she can go when she's down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Do
then
that.
yes, I could, and just get another one for upstairs. Cause I think she would like this. Cause you know she like to sit up high.
Trump's mindset,
Mhm.
other than wanting to project an image of stability with
I think that's what I'm
People's
exactly. That's
Republic of
exactly what I'm gonna do.
Adriana. We are now in the performance phase of the process.
Isn't this nice?
Months of planning
Mhm.
go
This
into
is really
these
nice.
summits to include
And it didn't cost a whole lot either.
topics to put on the agenda.
I'm gonna look up the
There's such a long
price.
list. The
It
same
wasn't
time,
expensive though.
historically,
Mhm.
both
Is that
countries
school on the
have
outside line?
conducted
Cause you know I be doing that. Yep, it
Yeah,
was.
it was.
Why you ain't say nothing?
I think you just moved your finger.
The other side's strategy
It was-
was, and
your
what
finger
the
was hiding it.
non-negotiables were as well.
You supposed to be looking out for me, man.
Working level
Your
meetings
finger was
really
gonna work.
have
You be letting me
proceeded
fail.
at this summit to try to ensure that the president
All right,
himself
wait a minute now.
is not the deal maker, but rather
We gotta
the
find this
closer.
first.
You have seen Secretary Bessent, for example, engage in those kinds of meetings. So at this time,
We gotta
what we
find it.
anticipate is that President Trump
We gotta find the hole.
that he and President
Hold
Xi
on.
have a
Let me
stable
sit down.
relationship. He is
There it is.
ensuring that the business delegation that is accompanying
This
him
is way taller
out of this summit.
than
And
the
then
other
broadly,
one.
of course, that he has some accomplishments on trade,
right.
particularly when it comes to U.S. agricultural exports. So a
Cause they
lot
was
to
throwing
do.
me off at
That's
first with
really
that
been
little
sort of
spring bowl,
leading up to this moment.
but I get it
So
now.
just laid out what
It's
President
very
Trump is
sturdy.
going to get out of this. What
Mhm.
will President Xi want to get
Lady
out of this?
baby.
Play into the calculation.
Lady.
Presidency is focused on a
Look at
stable
this.
economic
All right.
relationship with the
Now,
United States as well.
You put the little ramp on the front.
Focused on ensuring that
So that's what this is for right here.
Mhm.
And the two little screws.
controls on key
So my question
technologies
is
to China,
this.
including certain chips.
How do I?
For semiconductors. He is also very focused on getting the U.S. administration to
Oh, okay.
pivot.
And then that go like that.
And perhaps signaling openness to
Did it.
reunification between mainland China and Taiwan. So those are likely topics.
I'm a powerhouse. I tell you.
Agenda with President Trump, Adriana.
And Sam,
I'm a
what
powerhouse.
do both sides have to try to get the other to their
And that's what those two little screws was for. I was trying to figure out what them two little ones.
The economic crisis
Oh, wait, let me do this the wrong way.
impacting this country, certainly
Easier.
moments before President Trump took office
Ow.
yesterday. He was
I don't
asked
like
about
that
the
on my
economic
finger.
impact
That
of
hurt.
war in Iran on the
Let's do it
United
this
States,
way.
which he brushed off. The People's Republic of China is
My
certainly
sensitive
paying attention
hands.
to those comments, to inflation numbers and more, and so China will try
All
to
right,
exert
there we go, like
its
that.
economic leverage over
Like
the
that,
United
Jack.
States, its chokehold on
Put this-
critical
ooh,
minerals
too
and
tight.
rare earths that are so fundamental to
Too
so
tight.
many parts of Americans' lives.
Let's
And
keep
of
it in.
course,
Keep it
China
in.
will try to position
Keep it in
itself as a
position.
mediator
All right.
because
Now-
because of its close economic relationship,
I got
as well as
to
its export of certain technologies to the Iranian
formulate
regime
this
that are critical
to
to the
go
Iranian
up
military
here.
complex.
Where's that little
Sam, are these technologies
There
that
go
are
that
being
little-
used militarily
little
by
groove?
Iran
And this is the last nut. Oh man, I love when a plan come together, man.
What are called dual
Mhm. I used everything.
to the Iranian regime.
You're not. Don't you hate when you put stuff together and there's a whole bunch of extra stuff? You know something went wrong because you got too many extra
Got some
pieces.
extra pieces and whatnot.
Yeah. So I'm gonna lay this down like this. Make it easier on myself.
Deep consternation within the U.S. national
And
security
do like
complex.
this.
China's export
Like
of
this, like
information
that.
technologies, drone parts, and more to not just the Iranian regime, but to the Russian government as well.
And let's bring Wei Jinping back
Come on,
in
y'all.
from Beijing. You know,
We're doing the
obviously there are
finishing
economic
touches.
pressures right now on the US given
The
price of
finishing
oil.
touches.
China has also been struggling
This screw is so
economically
short.
into this. And what will it
But it's
take,
hard to
if anything,
connect.
for China to use its power
Come on, y'all.
that it
Come
has,
on.
its influence
This is the last
over
part.
Iran,
How the last part gonna be the hardest?
purchaser of Iranian oil
Huh.
to try to end this war.
Right.
Mhm.
Peter, I think both of these leaders understand.
All right, I think we got it.
We need each other.
I think we cooking with gas.
Their economies, they are so intertwined that
I
it
think
is
we
in the
cooking
best
with-
interest for
cooking
both
with gas and
Presidents Xi
canola oil.
and Trump to maintain
Maybe olive oil.
this
Should we be cooking
stability
with olive oil?
and to open up doors
Gas.
for each other rather
Gas.
than closing
All
them.
right.
But of course, it is a lot more complicated to do that.
Ooh,
However,
we
if
did it,
it's
Mom.
any indication what President Trump is eyeing, just look at the
entourage that he is
Sure, it's
bringing
tight.
with him here to Beijing. We know that there are
Do it a little bit more.
CEOs from
Just a little bit.
expected to join him in
Cause it ain't like I'm taking it apart.
Elon Musk flew with
I'm
him,
really not.
along with the CEO of NVIDIA.
So it could be a little bit tighter.
Tim Cook of Apple
There we
is
go.
also expected to be here. It's a
Woo!
list because the president
Ma, I did it.
signaled his
Go ahead, y'all.
for this China
Go ahead. Y'all see it.
to bloom even more
Lady
as it
baby.
relates to
Yeah.